Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a contact us page, how to add the page to the menu, how to enable reCAPTCHA, and how to add a custom field on the contact us page and receive the information as an email. So let's start from the how to create a contact us page. So I'll go to the back end of my website. So that's the store that I was working on. So at first I have to go pages to create a page, and then so right now I don't have any page. I'm going to create add page, and then I can write a title. I'm going to write contact us, but you can write whatever you want. And then I need to choose a page. So by default is a normal page, so you need to click here and then choose page.contact. So when you choose that, it will automatically add the fields there. And if you want something on top of your contact us page, you can write it here. I'll make another video showing how you can add a map or other things like Google Map on top or bottom of your contact page, but it's content for another video. And after that you need to press save. So when you press save, it will be saved, but right now it's not on your navigation. So if you want to check it, you can go view page and you see the title that I wrote and few predefined fields, but it's not on our menu. So our next job is to add it on our menu. So to do that, it's give you an hint what you can do. So if you press this one, it will take you to menu, but I'll show you how you can do it from here. So you can go to navigation, and then we have two menu, main menu and footer menu. So I'm going to do it for main menu, and you can do the same as footer menu. So you need to press on the menu, and then you add menu item. So you write contact us. I wrote it before. This is here, and that's the most important part. So you need to go to pages and then contact us and then add, and you need to make sure you press save. I made this mistake a lot of time. I was freaked out when I didn't see this here, but now our contact us page is here. So the next item is add reCAPTCHA. So what we need to go is we need to go to preference, and then if you scroll down you can see the spam protection. So I have it enabled, so like make sure it's enabled, and if you want to protect spam for your checkout page as well, you can turn that on. So now it's time to check. So our form is here working. So the next thing is we will add a custom field. So we'll check the reCAPTCHA when we add the custom field. So to add the custom field, sometime if you want to add something else, like an extra field for like location of the user or something else, you can add it. So to do that, I'm going to show you a secret where you can copy some code, you can generate some code, and then paste it on the theme code. So at first I'll show you where you need to add the code. So you need to go themes, actions, and then edit code. And then you need to find the contact page. So like before, you can just search contact page and open that. So I have this open here, and now so there's the code. So now you have to find where you're gonna put it. So this is the phone field. So these two things is phone number. So suppose if you wanna place that new field after phone, underneath phone, you can go enter a, so make some space, and then now you can go to that website. So I'll put that link in the description, but that's the website, and you can create a field. So you can create fields for text, short, long, radio button, drop down, checkbox, the other things. So for this one, I'll create text short, and I'll give a name, location, suppose. location. And so if you see here, it's already generated some code, so I will copy that code, paste it here. So we'll do a bit of modification so it looks like this. So we don't need this P, this P, this P, this thing, just here, this here, this location here, and then I'll copy the same ID. And then here instead of properties, you see how they have contact. I'm gonna do contact and then location. So if I save this, it's saved. If I reload, voila, we have a new location. So now let's submit this and see what we get. So we'll press the send button, and then now it will ask us for the reCAPTCHA thing. So I'm going to press on to robot, and then it's asking for a file, right? And so, oops, not that one. And then press verify and submit. And so now I'll go to my email and check. Cool. So we can see our new location here. Cool, awesome. So that's how you can add a new field here, and you can also use this to add a new field on product as well. I'll create another video for that. And yeah, that's it for today. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe this channel, like, and please leave a comment if you want to know anything about Shopify or want to work out anything. Have a great day. Thank you. Thanks for watching.